All right, here's how I made 2.3K from one trade on my Lucid Flex funded account. This I did end the day with $1,700, but that's because I did try to take a long up to these highs. But that actually led me to take this short because if we're not going to take these highs, if we're going to edge the high like this twice, we're most likely going to go lower and flip to the downside. I'm not really going to go over how I trade exactly. This is just a trade recap, so let's just get straight into it. I do trade more of a discretionary continuation model. But yeah, on the hourly time frame, maybe even, bro, the mouse is like different on Mac and it's pissing me off. We are quite bearish, right? We're quite bearish right here. But on the hourly, we were bullish. I was looking for longs originally because we sweep this low out, we fill this gap, and look at this amount. The amount of volume we had, like I'm just honestly surprised we still did not take this high. But because we didn't take this high, in my mind, okay, we're going lower. I'm looking for shorts. First thing when you wake up and you look at the market is you are looking for your draw on liquidity. My draw on liquidity, because I'm looking for shorts, are obviously this low, the low of the low, the fucking wick, and pretty much that's it, right? So I have my draws. Now I need to look for a safe entry, right? And then I just need a protected stop and targeting my draws. Okay, that's pretty much all there is to any type of model. Like as long as your entry is okay and your stop is protected, you should be good if you are right about the markets, right? So on the lower time frame, I'm looking for a better entry, and I see that we start to displace lower. The only thing, I'm gonna be honest, the only thing that this trade I did bad was the entry. The entry was not that safe. It was okay, but it was not that safe. Reason being is like we had just taken this out and we did like react off of it, but in my mind, I'm going off the 1 hour. So as long as my stop is covering for the 1 hour, it's okay, right? So on the 5 minute, we are displacing lower, and then we have a little retrace into the 5 minute gap. And then I really liked how we were rejecting this gap. The wicks, they show that we're rejecting, and we're closing below. And then this next candle, the volume of this next candle was enough for me to, okay, we're probably gonna go low from here, make sure my stop is protected, and let's just play it out. We do retrace quite a bit. Actually, I did not expect us to come this much. I thought maximum maybe we would like come up here and then start to react and go down, but we came up like 70% of my drawdown. But it's okay. I did not panic because I saw that we were in the red. I just let it play out. I already did all the work. I already analyzed the market. I'm not gonna get into my head and just close the trade because we are in the red. But yeah, pretty much it. Once we pass this and we break down, I think we're on break even here. Once we hit this low right here, break even. And then lastly, the thing I like to do with these trades, with most of my trades, is like whenever there's a bunch of draws, right? This is one draw and this is another. All these are draws, but whenever there's more than one draw, I do not like to target the last draw, at least like to the pip or to the points. Like I would rather lose on some points and then just take my profits a little earlier, because you don't know how many times the market will edge you. It's just something I've noticed, and like something I've come to do more now is just closing my trades manually once we get close to the draw. But this actually wasn't a manual close. I just put my stop here. I just put my TP right here. Like I did not care for this whole low because I had a feeling that we would reject, and we did. And I'm lucky that we took profit a little earlier. We still would have hit in the next day though. That's the thing. Like I would rather sacrifice like a few $100 than to sit here and wait or even lose more. Like let's say I was like, let's say I dragged my stop loss all the way down here or whatever, like wherever it would be. Price eventually comes and hits it before going lower. I would just take, the 2.9R over the 3R if I have to wait for like hours in that setup, not being greedy. But that's pretty much it. This trade made me like 2.3K. I did take like a little long right before. I think I took a long here towards his highs for negative 500. So we did end up with 1,700 on the day. Currently, I'm at 23 or 2,600 bucks. I just need, how many winning days do I need? 3 more winning days, right? Yeah, 3 more winning days. And I can request a payout on this account. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the trade recap. I am going to be posting at least like once a week from now on, whether it be like trade recaps, vlogs of Thailand, or some type of educational video. So leave a comment on what you guys want to see next. And that's pretty much it. Stay safe.